In a country where education is key to unlocking opportunities, the Philippines is home to a vibrant and diverse community of college students. But despite the progress made, many still faces challenges in accessing quality education. This is their story.
Education is the key to a better life. It is a stepping stone to break the cycle of poverty and inequality.
Quality education is not just about getting a degree. It's about acquiring skills, knowledge, and values that can help us make a difference in society.
One of the biggest challenges we face is the lack of resources. We don't have access to quality textbooks, facilities, and technology.
The lack of resources and outdated curriculum can lead to a lack of engagement and motivation among students, as well as a lack of preparedness for the workforce. It's essential that we update our curriculum to reflect the needs of the 21st century and provide students with the sources they need to succeed.
I'm Jane, a BSIT student. I am passionate about making a difference in the tech industry, but it's tough when you don't have the resources you need to succeed. Not having a laptop means I have to constantly borrow from friends or rely on the library, which can be unreliable. It's disheartening to feel like I'm falling behind my peers because of something as basic as access to technology.
SDG stands for Sustainable Development Goals, which are a set of 17 goals adopted by the United Nations in 2015 to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure peace and prosperity for all. SDG 4 aims to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. The goal is to provide access to quality education that is relevant, effective, and responsive to the needs of individuals and societies.
If we had access to quality education, we could be more competitive in the job market and contribute to the country's economic growth.
I'm part of scholarship program that provides financial assistance to underprivileged students. It's been a game changer for me.
We've implemented a mentorship program that pairs students with industry professionals. It's helped our students gain practical skills and build their confidence.
We need to work together to ensure that quality education is accessible to all. We need to advocate for policy changes and support initiatives that promote education for all.
We need to invest in our education system, provide training for teachers, and develop curricula that are relevant to the 21st century.
I'm a student with a disability and I face unique challenges in accessing quality education. But with the right support, I know I can succeed.
I'm a student from a rural area, and I have to travel far to get to school. But it's worth it, because I know that education is the key to a better life.
Powering minds through quality education is key to unlocking potential of the Philippines. Let's work together to make SDG 4 a reality for all. Quality education is the key to a better future. But many students in the Philippines still face challenges in accessing quality education. That's why we're working towards SDG 4, quality education. Join us in empowering minds and shaping a brighter future for all. Together, we can make a difference.